Houzik Fawbagi Maroiba Pauda, Steel and Heavy Industry Gim MOS, Bufati Raju, Srinivas Burma, Noneda Tungkre, Kwaidigi Wangbo Railway Gate, Tongi Fibam Yingsin Kre. Kurumjare STV Pau Mereng Tabi Puramapu, Taramno Chere, Houzik Fawbagi Maroiba Pau Sing, Miam the Pijari. Ngarang Imphal the Tunglakiva Steel and Heavy Industry Gi Minister of State Bufati Raju Srinivas Burma ngasi ayuk None District Headquarter the Leba Longmai Common Ground the Tungkre Mafamaduda DC None Vidyamari Sridhar SP None Namsadai Peter Pamai Amadi Local Giluching Bukayana Harautyam Okre None Gi Primary Health Center the Pangthopa Thoramda Minister of State Bufati Raju Srinivas Burmana Beneficiary Singh da Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana Gi Health Card Singh Yanthokre. Steel and Heavy Industry Minister of State Bufati Raju Srinivas Burmana Malem the Kwaidigi Wangwani Hariba Railway Bridge Kifibam Shu Yangsin Ki Makatana Awangkul the Chatuna Railway Station Singsu Yangsin Gadori Kongchada Duda DC None Vidyamari Sridhar SP None Namsadai Peter Pamai Amadi Atai Lusingba Official Kiana Sarugyaki. Manipuri Lenga ke Department of Education is na Sinduna nominee chupna pangthokadaba State Level National Science Day 2026 nga Fellas Compound Level City Convention Hall hodokre Women in Science Catalyzing Vexit Bharat haiba theme da pangthokadaba National Science Day hodokpui thoram aduda Department of Physics Indian Institute of Science Bangalore gi Physics former coordinator Physics Dr. Katrimium Jugeshwar Amade Assistant Director of Education as Hills ki Dangbai Manglem na Chingusing na Sarugya ke Made Tongan with District Taragamathoy de Gilakwa Class 9 de 12 for women the labor school sing de Gilakwa Mahiroi Singi Oiba Written Science Quiz Competition of Sufang Toki Taronga Mari Lena Department of Physics Indian Institute of Science Bangalore Physics former coordinator Dr. KSS Jugeshwar na Haikibada Class 10 de Gina Amadi 12 Level 4 exam singda nupi singna makok thongduna talakli adubu science ki lamda chada kunthra mathoi khaktamak nupi singna mafam kanbangamli amade nupa singna chada humfuga taret mafam kanduna lairiba ahoba se mention na ba nupi singda ahanba mideng thamduna science subject po India laingak na nupi singda chakon anaba honari loinana ngalingai matamdagi science ki lamda khong thangjin bangamna na ba sigumba thauramasi pangthokpani Science yawn chokhat pagi lambida khong thangjin bahibasi awaba oigani maramaduna ngalingai matamdagi mahiroi singda science hena ba hona ba tangai fade haina su fongdoki
Kamala Sohini si Indian Institute of Science da PhD oina qualify or PhD sangi haiba matamda masi reject togi nupi matanda hanba sangi reject to wuji kaiguna ma lagadi nupa gi leramba khoi satra makai da environmental district tawni bill price pi dana phangandana thamgri ne sigumba si mayam amal lai asigumba kaise India government hauji de khangakpadagi Department of Science and Technology dagi mogi program ama nupi khattagi ba program ka hapiraga nupi maisi kramana promote tongni science kramana promote tongni karamna nation da moina contribute tongni habado asigi matang da togodo program ne
Chandrakhongdagi Thobal Khetrilikai Fawbagi Manu Lairiba Club Organization Amadi Association Taragani Pana Pulaga Semba Nongpok Sayang Apunwalof na NSAL na Nongpok Ningthau Tata Dimfers Owner Association ga Kusham na Dunanga Sidagi Kasom Kulen Road Haina Khangnariba MN06 CW2 Thobal to Kasom Kulen Highway Sigi Thobal Khetrilaikai dagi Yaripok Khoirom Fawbagi Lambigi Saruk Singh Fort Hole Singh Menduna Shemjin Bahokre Highway Sina Fauduna Chaliba Yaripok Kaithil dagi Port Hole Menbagi Thabak Adu Hauraduna Nashalgi President Ananda Laishram na Fongdrokpada Nashalgi Thomi Singh na Hariba Lambi Ase Mafam Kaya da Ladiba Akayatu Singh Ashi Shemjinana Bachahi Kharagi Mamangdagi Khanaduna Lakpane Adubu Maike Som the Ladiba Nongpok Ningthau Tata the First Owner Association gi Thomi Singh na Mating Pangbige Harakpadagi Lambi Semjinbagi Thabak Ase Ngasidagi Hobuni Nasala se government ka karigumba makhalamata da mari leinazde adubu government na sembidrabasu tumina famduna laithopode tawroi angamba kharadi adumak tawgani haiba wakalonda lambi semjinbagi thabagasi tawjabani President Anantana Makhatana Manipur government su hiram kaya sibu khangwiduna thawal yari pok fauduna chaliba kasom khulen highway si matam chana yengsin biu haina lainga ki pungning singsilaki loinana highway sida chatpidaba vehicles singnasu mashagi chanadaba maongda overload oina mal pubiganu amadi nasalna lambi shemjinba honarakliba asidasu miyamna mateng pangbiu haiki
loina na akoi ki moto je kaisu nate we are not the government but we will not sit quiet either haibani akoi adubu akoi government na torta ba targa ju akoi leiba praja miyam gi damakta di nuai na bagi damakta akoi ngamjaba thakta akoi na amadagi mating lauraga akoi ki porhol ji mena bo hona bada akoi yo tipor honor association ya birak paja muko thagar phondok sari loina na akoi na government da haining badi thawal du kasong gi lambi je aduki matik manipur de important oi maram di hari ba lambi dagi porak pa nung lengoi adangi atopa material mayam duna manipur gi construction je 70% di si dagi loi season abang aktani aduna kari gumba akoi ki club sing jina lambi thingak pa targa di manipur gi economic ta na akoi government ki tawriba chawkhat na ba honariba construction development mayam je loina mak fail oi gani maram aduna akoi government da jo koina haijari athuba matamda hari ba lambi je miyeng changchalaga athuba matamda lambi je sembi na ba akoi government ki side ta koina request tawjari aduga makha ta na akoina semiba lambi sida kana gomba miyoi singna mateng pangningba leiraga su akoi gi nongpok sang apun baluk ta lakpiraga mateng pangbi bada nongpok sang apun baluk ki maike dagi hanana thagar ba phongdok sakani
Senapati District Hospital da layang balak pasing da ising pidabana anaba singna package water laser season hale haina youth rise for change ki maike dagi phongdorakle ISTV ga kanana unabada youth rise for change ki member RK Paul Chawang na phongdorakle RK Paul na makha takibada Senapati District Headquarter da lairiba hospital asi laifam thokpa staff masing suna laite staff masing surabasu Senapati District ki manung hanjinba khul singdagi hospital asi da layang balak nare layang balak liba anaba singi tangai fadana changadaba ising pidabana maram oiraga manung changba yauna isingi tangai fadaba lakpada masana package drinking water lairaga season hale District Hospital da sigumba fibam da lairabanina atopa manung hunjinba da lairiba CIC PIC na chingbada di fibam hainingai laitana Fibam Sogle Hari.
The district hospital in district is in a very deplorable condition. We were informed that there were 155 manpower who are supposed to be there, but 92 vacancies were being created, out of which only 30 plus medical teams are being posted there. How can a district hospital run with manpower of just 30 plus? This is a big question. And there is no water. The sick patients, even newborn babies, and the number of patients who come from far-flung villages under the Senapati district to this only hub that is existing in the district are suffering 24/7 because there is no water. Even if the government try to supply in 24/7, only 1 hour day supply. So it's a very shocking reality why the concerned authorities are deaf and dumb to these sufferings of the people. If the district hospital is in this condition, just think of the primary health center, sub-health center in far-flung villages. I don't know whether these doctors or nurses, they even go to the villages even once a year. That's a big question that is there.
District Astagi Electric Fibam gi matang da RK Paul na phongdorakibada Karong Power Substation matik chana staff thamdabana chang nai na mai mutle mai chang nai dabana mahairoi singda achobu saitheng pire chakholakpagi matung inna thorakliba electronic ki polam sing kang khathang oire haiki
We are also looking at Karong Powerhouse Station. There were a lot of public outcry and hue on why there is always load shedding towards evening, why there is power cuts and power non-supply. This is worse affected to the students who are preparing for their exams. Towards evening, the current goes off and kids are left without lights and they have to depend on candles and other solar lamps. This is not justifiable in today's 21st century. The Senapati people need power supply 24/7 like any other cities in India. And Karong power supply needs to be upgraded. Through our investigation, we came to realize that for the last 30 years, batteries were not changed, panel sets were not upgraded, wires were not changed, electric poles were not changed. And with this capacity, which is existing for the last 30 years, how can the rapidly increasing population, how can the rapidly increasing households be given a sufficient power supply in spite they paying bill every month? This is the question. The concerned authority of government of Manipur, who is supposed to look into the power upgradation of every power station in Manipur, needs to address this issue.
Lambi thongi matang da RK Paul Chawang na makha tana phongdokhibada Senapati District Falun chaliba Imphal Dimapur lambi ge tafau kuki khuldagi mau get fau gi lambi sembada maong maril ta dana semle National Highway sembada maong maril ta dabagi mathakta intervillage road singdagi lambi amata afaba oidre lambi semada contract lauriba contractor na subcontractor ra sinaba subcontractor na amuk atopa miyoida sinaba na maram oiraga kolas thaba hek loibaga kaiba hore kolas amuk thakibana yamdrabada chahi manga chalhan ninglabasu chahi fadingaida kaibana ayamba oire haiki.
The National Highway 2 from Tapaupuki to Kongnem, which is 15 kilometers, and from Kongnem to Mau Gate, which is another 30 kilometers. The amount has been sanctioned. The concerned National Highway Company, the contractors needs to be very, very careful in delivering their work with quality. Why should the main contractor sell off his contract work to the subcontractor and then to the third contractor? This is the compromise of quality. When money gets distributed between different stages, how can you deliver a quality work to your projects? So I think this is great concern for our people. Village Link Road serves as a socio-economic purpose for the villages. Today, every village has to be linked with interlinked village roads. We cannot go to that muddy road and create a lot of difficulties for the villagers. I think whichever project that is our concern with You Drive for Change are raising, I think government of Manipur, the concerned authorities like the Deputy Commissioner has to take into account this.
Housing program tan atin break ama luxury.
Matamgi nungsit nungsa amadi ayinga sana maram moiraga lok tungba amadi khubana singba tatana thohalli pumna maksibu khudakta phanba ngamlaba Capidon cup syrup 100% herbal product ni lok khubada natana nakmahi chelaba amadi khangnau mareng chatlaga lok kangkhu khuraba Capidon cup syrup thakpiu Capidon cup syrup
Dada
Give me a key gano Other become more Sige yung say, next time, tina-checksin na laksilaga tamga ba ni Ned?
Dadarang se, juhar habaga am takidar bo.
Asum na, mayam na machalbog na option lugan. Masige yung masibog, aso yung ang koka da batagi. Next time, tina-napseli. Next time, juhar habating ngakok na nabasim ba ni? Zaman check mo isi na na, concrete katok na tinaba matanda, kapamil ang magpihan na hinggal adli. Next TMT, strength is in the quick.
Honglag liba pun sige lambi sida, aray ba tsaba yaba makay sasinari. Aduna hidak langthak kayama sadaba yarakte sasil liba singduna adom gi liver da kayam sokhalli khangbibra liver nabu soklaba chaning thakning ba phawdaba puk nungai taba khong hamba nungai raktaba amadi kuchu kumen senghallakti khuding maksibu ngakthok ke hairabadi Jolip 100% natural syrup amadi capsule
Jolip 100% natural syrup and capsule.
Admission open. Capsule Medical Course for NEET UG 2026. Crash Engineering Course for GMains 2026. Class 11 Foundation, Council CBSE, NEET UG and GMains. Come and complete your dream.
Break matungda mayamba mukahana taramnok chori loina makhathaba pau fizari thasagi tang kungu humdoida thokiba watho khurai Haikrumakong Junior High School say apunbagi oina punna school ahum Khurai Khomidok Gandhi Memorial Primary School Khurai Khomidok Haikrumakong Primary School amadi Khurai Haikrumakong Junior High School Hairiba School ahumgi apunbagi oina Khurai Haikrumakong Junior High School da nupigi nauna toilet sananaba tawraba matungda mafum asida saba yaroi amadi atamnana furup amagi miwe bo mahei tamba yaroi habase Maitei Fungal Council na Manipurna laibak thibani haina fongdorakli Haikibo wafum singasigi school gi convener oiribe Salimbo miyoi kharana inba chaiba tawkiba thongbo akanba maongda condemn tawi haina lobasigi president Haji Arafat Alina fongdorakli
School asida mahiroi khudimakku ikai khumnasi tawdok aduda hakthemna chenariba amaga hatred oiba maongda sagaliba miyoi maruoina sohanta amadi thabalsana hojik bakoi anisi matamsana Marili nabo authority na father logi serak fanganbiu maramdi asigumba pamdaba thodok kaya se matungda tholak tanaba matam sana ekoi praja myamna intervene tawba amachangi natrabadi tasena ekoi leminariba group masenda leminariba sida nuksina daba khaibung tabagi mami esi tahan base tasena ekoi yam pende nakan anigi kangrup naiba thong thausil amata tawbiga nu loinana karigma apaphata pattaba Tolok Patal di Madugi Daita, Mio Kra, Aduna Pugadabni.
Lois Lakudamaru Papa Mukahana, Pizari. Steel and Heavy Industry GMOS Bufati Raju Srinivas Verma, None the Tungkre, Kwaidigi Wangba Railway Tongi, Fibum Yingsin Cray. Housing Fog and the Manipuri Matans the Logere, Mireng Tavidu Punamapomukahana, Krumjari.